Hi everyone, this is David Lund with Excalibur rings, and today I'm going to be showing you a ring I'm making called the Firefighter's ring. If you like watching ring crafting videos, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other content. I wanted to share some backstory on why I decided to make this ring. A firefighter from Pennsylvania contacted me a few weeks ago and said he was impressed by my ring designs. He wanted to know if I'd be willing to create and donate one to him so he could show his team who may be interested in a custom design. After talking with him and learning more about what these brave men do, I welcomed this request, not only as a networking opportunity, but a chance to give back. I did some research and I learned about the firefighter's thin red line, which is a term used by fire departments to show respect to the firefighters injured or killed in the line of duty. My ring design was based on this. I start off by taking a tungsten carbide ring blank and inlaying the channel with black mica, which will serve as a background for the thin line. I will then cut a groove in the center of this channel and fill this with an orange glow powder. I could have used red, but I decided orange had a nicer glow to it.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go?
This ring is complete and I found it to be a lot of fun to make. I'm really excited to get this ring out to the client so he can show his team. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for alerts on when my next video goes out. Feel free to drop a comment and ask any questions you have. If you didn't like this video for any reason, please tell us why, what you would like to see different. I welcome all feedback. Until next time, stay safe.